We hope that you guys are having a great new year so far, and we also hope that you guys have set some great financial goals for this new year. In this video, we're going to reflect on our goals from the year 2021, and then we're going to go over our goals for the year 2022, and they're pretty exciting. So stay tuned.
Hi guys!
I'm John.
And I'm Cecine. Welcome to Millennial Fire, where we give practical tips on reaching financial independence and early retirement. If you guys have liked what you've seen so far, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can see when we post videos, and it really helps us out. Every year on a road to financial independence, our goals are going to be similar because consistency is a huge part of reaching financial freedom. But every year we strive to be bigger and better than the year before. So with that being said, let's dive into our goals.
So let's get to our first goal, which is one that's a carryover from the year 2021, and that's maxing out all of our retirement accounts. And in 2021, we did succeed at this goal, and it was so great for us, we want to do it again. So the first retirement account that we plan to max out is our Roth IRAs. We can contribute $6,000 each, so that's going to be a total of $12,000 that we plan to contribute to these accounts. And just a reminder, Roth IRAs are accounts that you contribute to with post-tax dollars, and those dollars grow tax-free into your retirement.
The next retirement account that we're planning to max out again this year that we successfully maxed out last year are our 401ks and our 403bs. As of 2021, the maximum amount that we could contribute to this account was $19,500 per person. And this year that has increased to $20,500. So for this year, we're planning to increase our contributions to make sure that we max out this account this year as well. And for those of you that don't know what a 401k or a 403b is, it's an employee-sponsored retirement account that you can contribute pre-tax dollars into that lowers your tax liability. So you don't pay taxes on it now, you pay taxes on it once you're ready to pull from that retirement account.
And last but definitely not least on our retirement accounts to max out is our HSA account, which stands for a health savings account. We actually had the opportunity to get a health savings account for the first time in 2021, and we did successfully max it out. At that time, the contribution limit was $7,200 for families. It was $3,600 for individuals. This year, the government has allowed us to contribute $100 more for families, $50 per person. So now the contribution limit is $7,300 for families and $3,650 for individuals. So take advantage of that $50. This is another tax benefit account that you put pre-tax dollars in that lowers your tax liability for the year. And so we're going to be going more into detail into this account in a future video.
So in 2021, our goal was to max all retirement accounts, which equaled $58,200. And this year, they've increased the maximum amount that we can contribute by $2,100. And so our goal this year is to max out all those accounts, and that will equal $60,300.
So we encourage all of you guys to start taking advantage of your retirement accounts. You may not start with contributing the max, which is for us $60,300, because that's a large sum of money, at least to us it is. But we encourage you guys to, at the very least, take advantage of some of these taxable benefits. Take advantage of your employer-sponsored matches that you have in your 401k or 403b, and you'll be surprised of how you'll see your net worth grow.
So last year, with maxing out our retirement accounts, we saw the increase that our money received from the market growth, and we saw how little our high yield savings account were giving us back in interest. So we decided to take some of our savings out of the high yield savings account and open a personal brokerage account, and it did well for us last year. So this year we have a new goal of investing $30,000 into our brokerage accounts this year. And this $30,000 is going to be invested mainly consisting of ETFs and index funds, but we also plan on dabbling a little bit into individual stocks and cryptocurrencies.
The next goal on the list is a returning goal, and that's to purchase at least one property. Unfortunately, in the year 2021, we were not able to purchase a property. So this year, instead of purchasing just one, we want that one to be a minimum, but we're honestly shooting for 2 properties. But as you guys see, we have a lot of investment goals going on already. So we have to figure out how to make it work.
And I just want to note that sometimes financial goals can seem unattainable, and in our household, when that happens, we just ask ourselves, how can we attain this goal? Even if it looks like it's out of reach, there's always an answer. And sometimes the answer is decreasing your expenses, but sometimes you've already reached that point where your expenses are decreased to the point that there's nowhere else to go. And so the new answer would be to increase your income. And that's something every year we're striving to do. And we've already looked at options for this year, how we can increase our income even more. So our next goal is a goal that we made last year that we failed at. And that was to reach 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. And last year we failed at that goal because we took a year off from YouTube. And this year we are back with a vengeance. We're planning to bring you guys videos at least once a week. And it's not only to hit our 15,000 subscriber goal. We want to bring you guys great content. And so we thank you guys so much for your support so far. And for those of you that are watching that haven't subscribed, please take the time to subscribe and help us reach our goal.
So we have another goal that's returning from 2021, which we both unfortunately failed at. And that was our health goal of me losing 42 pounds and Tassine losing 30 pounds. So don't tell nobody. I lost 0 pounds, but I didn't gain weight. But I want to do much better this year. And Tassine, how much did you lose?
I lost 11 pounds. I didn't quite hit my goal of 30. That's not even halfway there, but I am happy that I was able to at least be less than I was last year because it was just not right.
And so you might ask yourself, why are we talking about health on a financial independence page? Well, we feel like health is still very vital when it comes to financial independence, because even if you reach your early retirement, if you enter the hospital the day after you reach your early retirement, you may have to go back to work to cover that hospital bill. And so we feel like health is wealth. And I know you guys have heard that before. So we want to increase our health while also increasing our finances, because without our health, the finances mean nothing. So I still have that goal of losing 42 pounds this year.
And I want to get to the total 30, so I want to lose 19 more this year.
And so with that being said, we plan to get there by eating healthily and exercising more. We actually did start exercising consistently near the end of last year. So we're going to keep up that routine. And what that means is that I was actually overweight in the middle of the year. But luckily, I was at least able to get back even before January 1st.
So now we're at our stretch goal. And our stretch goal is always a net worth. Last year, we made a goal to hit $475,000 in net worth. And we not only hit that goal, but we exceeded it. And we hit a net worth of $670,970.75 in 2021. That was an increase of $339,408.21. So we almost doubled our net worth last year, which was amazing. So this year we plan to increase our growth by $90,000 more, and our new net worth stretch goal for 2022 is to hit $1.1 million. So by the end of 2022, we hope and we plan, and that's our goal, to become millionaires.
So how do we plan to reach this $1.1 million net worth? Well, a lot of the details are in this video and the goals that we already have set. Maxing out our retirement accounts, saving $30,000 to invest in the market, investing in at least 2 properties. And along with those goals, we know that we're also going to have to be heavily focused on decreasing our expenses as much as possible, while also increasing our income as much as possible. So on the income side of things, if we reach that 15,000 subscriber limit on YouTube, that's going to help increase our YouTube revenue. And hopefully we can get there by bringing you guys great content. And we're also going to be considering some alternative investments that we haven't done before, like commercial real estate or maybe even vending machines. But whatever opportunity we jump into, you guys will know when we know, because we'll be sharing every step of our financial journey with you guys. So with that being said, we hope that you guys also have some awesome financial goals for 2022. And if you do, drop them in the comments and let's start a trend of holding each other accountable to hit some of our goals. We really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please hit that like and subscribe button for us, because that's really going to help us out. And we'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.
See you guys.